Ever wish your everyday spending could actually help you invest? Most banks keep your checking and investing separate, making it tough to save and even harder to start building wealth. But that's where Stash comes in. It's a platform that unites banking, saving, and investing all in one simple app, designed for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. So, how exactly does the Stash banking account work, and what makes it different? Let's break it down. At its core, a Stash banking account is an FDIC-insured checking account provided through Stride Bank, N.A., that's fully integrated into the Stash ecosystem. This means your banking is directly connected to your investing and saving tools. The first big perk is the Stockback card. This is your Stash debit MasterCard. Here's the brilliant part. Instead of earning generic points or cash back, you earn pieces of stock when you use it for qualifying purchases. If you buy coffee at Starbucks, you could get a fraction of a share of Starbucks stock. If the retailer isn't publicly traded, you can choose an ETF or stock from a curated list. Essentially, every swipe turns into a tiny investment, helping you build a portfolio just by living your life. Beyond the Stockback card, Stash banking is built on convenience and low fees. They aim for transparency with no overdraft fees, no minimum balance fees, and no monthly maintenance fees, a refreshing change from traditional banks. You also get access to a massive network of over 55,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. Another key feature is getting your money faster. With direct deposit, you can get paid up to 2 days early. Plus, transfers between your Stash banking account and your Stash investment portfolio are instant, which is super handy for quickly moving money to buy stocks or cover a bill. Finally, Stash has powerful automated saving tools. My personal favorite is Stock Round UPS. Just like other spare change programs, it rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically invests that change for you. It's effortless saving that doesn't require you to think twice. To sum it up, Stash banking isn't just a place to hold your cash, it's a tool for turning your daily transactions into long-term investments, all while offering the core banking features you need, without the nasty fees you don't. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.